Durable cookie muffin trays. The heavyweight steel construction of each pan helps to prevent warping and will last through many years of baking. It is made of high-quality carbon steel, heavy durable material, non-toxic and non-odor. Multi-use bake tray sheet. You will surely love them because these are suitable for making bread, cake, cupcake, muffin, etc. Also, great for cooking food, like roast meat, bake a potato, broil vegetables or making a bunch of other snacks. Hand wash only recommended. Hand wash after use. To avoid scratching the product, do not use the dishwasher to clean. Use a soft cleaning cloth and mild cleaning detergent. Do not soak in water for a long time, keep dry after use. Stain-resistant material. Made from top-grade ceramic copper, it's safe constructed to endure long-lasting use, gives you delicious baked treats. It won't warp heats without hot spots so your cakes come out of the oven evenly baked. 446 F temperature resistance, oven-safe durably built. This bakeware set can handle high heat up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Making the set suitable for a wide range of baking needs a 0.6 mm thick with a rolled edge to keep metal from warping, flexing. Top reviews from the United States. So far so good. I washed my Pyrex baking dishes and had them sitting to dry and one of my little kiddos knocked it off and shattered it. I decided then that I needed to not only replace it but preferably with something metal and not glass. I found this set and loved it because it had size ranges that I wanted as well as beautiful colors to match our kitchen. We used the large baking dish last night for the first time and the mess just slides right off. I cannot speak for the longevity of them yet, but so far so good. Great value, very pretty, feel very durable without being overly heavy, and the nonstick is great.